I was an idiot. It's really simple. Run. Go in here. Charge boot across here. There it is. In there. Got it. See how easy that was? It's not actually hard. You don't need your charge boots. Oh. It's not hard at all. Also, my nanotech was upgraded by 1 just because I actually killed... I'm not kidding, I killed one of these and it upgraded. I was like, wow. So, yeah. My nanotech upgraded. Now I'm going to go and get the skill point. Got it. The ones that are glowing a lot more than others are the ones that you can stand on. Now I'm going to get the second titanium bolt. Aha. Right. Yep, this is it. Which weapon should I use? Interesting. Let's use the plasma whip. Yes, plasma whip. Sounds good. There's something about there being a bridge. Something about that. Pretty sure it said something about there being a bridge. Somewhere. Not sure. There being a bridge to the left and then a teleport pad, or whatever it's called, transport pad. Said something about there also being a rock. It's on the rock or something, I don't know. I wasn't paying great amounts of detail to what it was saying. Well, it's not up there because you can't get up there. I don't know what it was talking about. There is one here, apparently. Maybe it's the other way. And I missed it. No. Not quite. Because I don't really remember where this is, if I'm being perfectly honest. Let me check. What did it say? It says... On the second moon, that's where I am. Walk the products on the pad, and from the direction you face. Go left, you'll come across a small bridge. Continue, strike on the bridge, and over the landscape, and you will see a launch pad. And you should see the titanium bolt on a rocky platform. Land on the platform. And the titanium bolt is yours, okay? A rocky platform, you say? Oh, it's right there. I'm an idiot. Wow, that is really easy. Cool. I'll meet you back at the ship, because, or wherever, because I might upgrade my weapons on Dax or something. Oh, the newly advanced power whip is V3! It now has blue light! It now is powerful! Look at my advanced power whip! But I also increased in some nano. My nanotech is good. I'm also getting lots of boltsies around here. Boltsies are good. Boltsies are good. Let's go to Blackwater City. We're gonna save some people. Okay, there's only one skill point. Don't notice any bolts or anything like that, but there is one skill point. That skill point would be that you have to, I think this is right, kill 20 Tyrannoids with your wrench. I believe that's it. But I think it has to be in one mission. But yeah, I'm not sure. I think it's easier on the last one because it's loads of them or something. I think. Don't quote me. Yay, music from the first game. Yippee, yippee, yay, yay. Love this mission. It's the Rangers. La, 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 la. Dun, 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 dun.
I'll be glad to see you, Sarge.
You better be.
In order to get ready for a major attack against our base.
Understood.
Coming!
Which one? Oh, the blue. Oh, yes, the plant. Actually, let's do that. Lava gun. Lava guns are pretty much upgraded. I went past that. There's not as much things there anymore, but it's still pretty good.
Enemy aircraft! The noise are dropping in reinforcements!
Yeah, it is mission 3, which is where it's easier. It's definitely mission 3. But yeah, this weapon I'm going to be using from now on for a while. Because this weapon is, how you put it, awesome. That's the one, yes, awesome.
Incoming saucers!
Yep, noted. Try and get me, I dare you. There's your try. Then there's a town.
Look out! The Nords are coming across the bridge!
That's not going to give me enough either. Go.
Fire a creel!
Doing it. It's bound to upgrade soon. Not sure when, but it is going to. Oh, by the way, this is a nice place to get some health. And, oh, that was stupid. Oh, so I can go back down. Oh, thank God, I'm already there.
You, Sarge. The Nords are getting ready for a major attack against our
That was
base.
really stupid.
It's coming!
Okay, I'm not doing that again. Oh yeah, I forgot I restored my ammo. Excellent. No worry then. My ammo is just as good as ever, so everything's all good. I couldn't care less then. All I wanted was my ammo. That was all I avoid that. I forgot it restores itself. Nice!
Enemy aircraft! The Nords are dropping in
reinforcements! Hello. And you are gone. I love this music. Always was one of my favourites. One thing I don't like about this is you can't get good bolts from boxes and stuff and enemies because of the fact you get loads of bolts from winning. So they don't give you a lot that way. But yeah, I don't know if this will kill me. It'll give me the skill point, I think. I hope it will. We'll see. Let's not.
Look out! The Nords are coming across the bridge!
Understood. That was a tiny bit of lag, I think. Methinks. I've already said I'm doing it. Is that it? No. Tough. Tough luck to you. Nice. Is that it? Apparently there's one more. Ah. I see. Oh, he's dead. Lol. Is there nothing else or is the game glitched? Here they are. Try it. There you go. Just want to kill him with
Looks like the
plasma.
Nords have had enough! Congratulations, Sarge! You sure lived up to your reputation!
Thank you. Awesome. The bridge.
Let's go, Sarge! We've got orders to neutralize the enemy forces guarding that bridge!
Oh man, do I have to? Really? I didn't see how much money I'm getting for this. Zero. Stupid of me. In fact, that is quite stupid. How did I? This weapon is just overkill. Awesome. Maybe not, I'm here. I would destroy the dropships, but I don't want to because, I get more experience this way. And this is about to level up. I wanted to level up. So these things will die instantly after that. And I want that very much.
Boys are storming the bridge!
Oh no! very, very slowly. That's 6 of them. You won't. Ah, okay. V4. When did it become V4? When the hell did this become a V4?
Objective secure. We have captured the
Oh, that's
bridge.
quick. When did this become a V4? Oh well, see you in the next part. Let's go. When did this become a V4? Understood. When did it become a V4? Didn't even tell me. Those things shoot you, so you can't go too close. Not yet. Not yet, anyway. Don't go close to it yet. The shields are still up. Aren't they? Are they still up? No, they're not. Who's that? Well, that's me dead. Risking my life. Just not soldier. You are gone.
Roger that!
I forgot I had to attack them now. Okay, fair enough. Here goes.
Heads up! Enemy's horses!
Apparently this is the one where you can do it. Where you can get to the mission easier.
Sarge, we're getting pounded by enemy saucers! We need backup!
Mister... Telling that, why aren't you shooting? You need backup.
That was some fancy shooting, Sarge!
Yeah, this is definitely a mission.
Incoming! Here they come! This is a big one!
That sounded so wrong. Here they come, this is a big one. Ew! That did come. Come on, it did. You know it. Oh well. Right, when you guys get killed and shot to oblivion, I will be happy, for I probably will be able to do this easier. Or get the skill point easier.
That's the last of them. Blackwater City is
Really?
secured.
How the hell?
That was a close one, Sarge. Thanks for the backup. I tripped over these gravity boots while I was running from the Tyrannoids. I believe they're your size.
How the hell do I do that with my wrench? I'll be right back and I'll do it off camera, I guess.